Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar Bluetooth keeps disconnecting, interference and repair. Fix 1. Clear your device history. You just have to open the setting on your phone, TV or computer, go to Bluetooth and select your Vizio Soundbar. Then click forgot the device or unpair. Then turn your device Bluetooth off and wait for 5 seconds and turn it back on. Fix 2. Factory reset the soundbar. Turn on the soundbar, press and hold the Bluetooth and volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding for 5 seconds and watch for the LED lights to flash 3 times. Release the button, the soundbar will reboot. Fix 3. Repair the connection. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on your soundbar for 5 seconds. Then wait for the LED lights to flash or cycle up and down. Open your streaming devices Bluetooth menu and select the Vizio soundbar to reconnect. Fix 4. Eliminate interference. Move your streaming device within 3 meter or 10 feet of the soundbar. Then you have to turn off the Bluetooth on other nearby devices like tablet or laptops. Move any Wi-Fi routers at least 1 meter away from the soundbar. Thanks for watching.